Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our educational video series put out there for our prospects and our clients, designed to help you understand a little bit more about the law. And we're going to talk today about advice of the divorce attorney. People often want to know what's the best way to get the best advice from your lawyer, and they figure they need to prepare for the divorce proceedings. They need to prepare to meet their lawyer. They need to be prepared to discuss the relevant issues. Well, in order to do that, the first thing that I always tell my clients, and we talk about it here staff-wide, firm-wide, we discuss what's necessary to really have productive interchange with your client. And really the answer is the drama that blindsides people. The fact that the people get so nervous and so upset and so unsettled because my ex did that and my husband said that to me and she called me this and she called me that. All those things that blind people to the factual realities and to the business of your divorce, you got to pull that out of the equation. Number one, you want to be productive in figuring out how to prepare for proceedings. Pull the drama out of it. Stick with the facts. Find out what the court needs to grant you your relief and focus on getting that evidence. That is the key. Work with your lawyer. Don't fight with your lawyer, because if your lawyer says, you know what, I hear that you want to make an issue out of what she did to you a year and a half ago, but I don't think it'll be productive because the court doesn't care about your history. You could have talked about that a year and a half ago, but now the court wants to know what's going on today. When your lawyer tells you that, don't fight with her about it. Don't fight with him about it. You know why? Because they do this for a living. They know what they're doing. You don't. Now, you're an expert in your own life, but taking that life and siphoning it through the law and then coming out with a good result on the other side, you're not expert at that. Let your lawyer work with your lawyer. Don't work against your lawyer. Save your against energy for something that's more productive. Rechannel your energy into working productively with your lawyer, and that will help your lawyer navigate the legal issues. So for example, if your lawyer tells you, we have a delicate situation with the parenting time, you need to make sure, because there have been complaints, that when this parenting time is over at 6 o'clock, that you have that kid delivered back to her by 6 o'clock. Not 6:05, not 6:10 with an excuse about traffic. Nobody wants to hear about how much ice there is on the road. Account for it, prepare for it, do what you got to do, make sure you comply. And when your lawyer tells you that, work with your lawyer. Don't give arguments, well, she did this to me last time, or he did that to me last time. Forget that nonsense. Do what you got to do, because at the end of the day, when it comes time to go before the judge sees one person is making their best efforts to comply and the other not. Guess who's going to get the benefit? Guess who's going to get the nod from the court? It's going to be the one who, despite their personal feelings, complied. And that's really where you've got to be. And I know it's counterintuitive. People often feel like, you hit me, it makes me feel good to hit you back. That may be, and I'm not even saying it's not deserved. I'm just wondering, is that strategic? Because if the answer is it may not be strategic, don't do it. Your lawyer's the expert on strategy. Follow his advice, follow her advice, listen to what they have said. These are the people that you're paying. So take their advice and do it that way. And I think if you do that, you'll have an easier go about navigating through the issues in your divorce. And if you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.